In this video today, I'm going to show you how to promote your business on Pinterest and how you can make a lot of money simply because none of the other platforms can offer you this opportunity over here. Look at what I found today. Scrolling through the feed, looking for nothing as usual. Look at this. So first thing, when I saw the picture and I saw the price $229, I was thinking, okay, cool, I know this model, right, of Nike Air Jordan. I know that model. But then I was looking through the different photos and then I realized that that's not the actual cover, right? I saw that the shades are different. And if you look at closely, you will see that the paint looks like it's not evenly spread around the edges. Anyway, I figured it out that this is not what I was thought it is, right? And then I read the description and it says custom blue, black, white Jordan, high quality, and they also show you how this looked like before. Okay, this is how it looked like before, just a regular plain white Jordan. And they can essentially make it customizable. They can cover it for you. They can put different elements. And the small part here is that the idea is brilliant. The idea that you can get a plain product and make it customizable from a popular brand. We're not talking about you're getting like a no brand $20 shoes on the street and then you start painting and try to sell it for 50, right? We're talking about you buying a plain Air Jordan or plain Air Max and then you can customize it. It is a very good idea, guys. And I know this model I think retail it's over $300. This is why the guy has placed this $229. But don't get me wrong, this is a handmade work. Of course it will be pricey. Now I want you to think about what you could do personally, manually, customizably, right, for other people, and what do you think they're willing to pay you for? That's a good question. Because remember, at the end of the day, everything that you could provide as a service or knowledge that other people can't, it's your advantage and you can charge a premium for it. What I'm even saying. Okay, let's go. Click on the search and let's do handmade custom anything. Okay, and then don't lose your time. Click on the small button that you filter the actual content by products. Let's filter by products. Let's not lose our time with anything else. Okay, so as you can see, somebody else is selling another custom Air Jordan. This looks very, very good, guys. Again, $189. People do make money with all that stuff, huh? Remember, if you see a lot of offers from the same product, obviously there is a demand, right? These people will not be sitting around covering shoes without making money. Somebody else here is selling what? A controller, keypad, handboy, truck. Okay, that looks cool. Again, somebody did that, everything starts with an idea. Look at this drip over here. Not my cup of coffee, but still it's interesting. Is somebody else is offering this portraits, right? Family pictures on like a crystal photo, like a bow. I don't know, it looks cool. People are very, very talented, guys. Look at these shoes. Crazy, right? Crazy how people can actually make all that stuff. But you see, if I didn't show you that, you probably would never thought that this is actually possible. Look at this bad boy. Looks crazy, man. People are extremely talented. That's what I was trying to tell you guys. You want to focus and you want to make something that is unique, and when people see it, to be like, wow, to be so exciting, right? You don't want to just copy and pay someone else's work without any insights from your own. Just look how people are actually, first of all, they're enjoying what they're doing, right? And second, looks like they're making good money. I don't know what are the sales ratio. They're selling on Etsy, obviously. but this is like a graffiti type of style. Let me know what do you guys think, and of course let me know what is your skill. Do you have any skill that you can offer to customize someone else's products and make a lot of money on Pinterest? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.